In this video, we will learn how to use Vena's commission tracking Excel template to track the progress and status of our team's sales performance, along with compensation to stay ahead of the budgeting and forecast cycle. This free template includes instructions and was built using best practices to help you save time when performing your analysis. Ready? Download the template and let's get started. Heading over to the Payout Review and Approval tab. Here, we will see a breakdown of our transaction details, revenue, earn details, and pay details. To use this template, we will add our sales team under the Payee column. If we run out of rows, we can simply add a new one. Let's insert a new row and copy down the formulas for all above. We will now add a new team member, Henry Fletcher. We can now select the quarter that we want to plan for and enter the quota, as well as the credit. We can see here that the attainment formula has now been updated based off of our quota and credit. Under Earn Details Amount, enter the amount paid to Henry Fletcher. This number should be applied from our compensation rules. If we have any adjustments to the amount, this can be done in the Adjusted Amount section. Finally, under Pay Details, this is the area we should be receiving from our finance team for any compensation confirmed and paid out. Opening the Payee dashboard, here we can get a quick visual of each of our team members and a comparison of their quota versus attainment. And that's it. We use this free Excel template to track the progress and status of our team's sales performance along with compensation to stay ahead of the budgeting and forecast cycle. To download this free template and all of our other Excel and Power BI templates, head on over to venasolutions.com/templates.